Hi, micro folks. This is a short little movie discussing our airborne microbe experiment. This was in chapter 10, microbial growth media. So this is to demonstrate that microbes are everywhere, even in the air we breathe. So to start this experiment, we need to label our plates. We're going to have one set of plates that we're going to label is TSA, tryptic soy agar, an all-purpose medium. Tryptic soy agar 0 minutes, that's our negative control. And then we'll have a TSA 30-minute plate, and that's because we'll be exposing the surface of the plates to the airborne microbes for 30 minutes. And finally, we'll have a TSA 60-minute plate. We're also going to be using Sabarode's dextrose medium, which is a selective medium. It selects for the growth of fungi. So we're expecting we'll grow both yeasts and molds on our Sabarode's dextrose plates. So the way the experiment runs is you'll have a timer, and at time equals 0, you'll keep the lid on the 0-minute plate, your negative control, but you'll take the lids off your 30-minute plates and lay them on the counter, and you'll also take the lids off of your 60-minute plates and lay them on a counter. After 30 minutes exposure to the airborne microbes, you'll replace the lid on the 30-minute plate. Likewise, after 60 minutes exposure to the airborne microbes, you'll put the lid of the 60-minute plate on. And then, as we always do, folks, we're going to tape the lid to the bottom, right? And we're going to invert the plates, and we're going to incubate at 30 degrees Celsius. Now, my labels aren't complete. I should have the name of the sample, which would be airborne microbes. I want to put my full name or my team number, my lab section, and the date. Okay? And then following incubation, we're going to pull the plates out of the incubator and look at them. And I think you're going to be amazed. These are some of the airborne microbe plates from fall semester of 2019. And again, folks, I think it's pretty remarkable when you have a chance to look at the incredible number of microbes that we're breathing in every day. On the TSA plates, we would predict we'd grow a wide range of both fungi, so yeasts and molds, and also bacteria, the tryptic soy agar. On the Sabarode's dextrose medium, we would presume we're going to grow fungi, so yeasts and molds, and some of these are just remarkable. What we'll have you do eventually is choose 2 different colonies. It can be from any plate, and you're going to describe the colony morphology. We'll have a handout for you. This is from a great microbiology lab manual that we're hoping we can adopt, describing all the colony morphologies, all the colony features. So it includes elevation, it includes the shape of the colony, the margin or border of the colony. We'll be describing the pigment, we'll be describing the size, we'll measure the diameter in millimeters, we'll describe the optical properties and the appearance of the surface. So these are all colony traits that you'll be describing and including in your micro workbook to be turned in. So folks, then just with regard to cleanup, when you're finished examining your plates, you'll keep them taped together. And indeed, you guys, on this experiment, I'm going to suggest that we tape all the way around the edges because some of the fungal colonies are very aggressive. We've had them try to grow out of the plate, kind of like a science fiction movie. So we'll keep our plates taped together, and then we're going to throw them into the biohazard or autoclave bags or bins. Okay.